Hey guys, it's Kree, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made these Haunted Mansion inspired pin holders. I've been really getting into collecting these Disneyland pins, and I have nowhere to put them, and I really wanted something Haunted Mansion inspired to place them on just because I love the wallpaper on the ride. So I wanted to figure out a way I could create that. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. I'm going to be showing you guys everything you need as well, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a frame, and I'm using these ones. These ones are pretty cheap. I got them from Walmart for like $3, but you can find one that is to your own liking. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint these with this Walmart brand spray paint can. I got it for like $1. Super cheap. I'm just trying to be as cheap as possible with this and still get good results. So yeah, that's the thing for me. That's where I got these things. But yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take everything apart. Just save everything. Don't throw anything away. That's what I'm doing. I always keep every part of the project until the end, just in case I need it later. But I'm going to go ahead and just take everything off these frames, and I'm going to go ahead and just lay them outside and give these frames a solid coat. I'm going to do 2 coats because this paint ended up being a little thin. So it's fine. Just as long as you have enough to do a second coat, you'll be okay. And once the 2 coats of paint have been set onto the frames, I'm just going to let these air dry, and then we're going to go ahead and get started with the next part of the project. Now we're going to go ahead and get started working on what's going to go inside the frames. So I'm going to go ahead and use this Haunted Mansion pattern that I got from Etsy. I'm going to link the seller down below. You're also going to need a couple of markers, some glue adhesive. I'm using E6000 because it's the strongest one that I found so far. Some tape, and a pair of scissors. Going back to the now dried frame, I'm going to go ahead and take the backing that we detached from it earlier in the video, and I'm going to use the templates inside as a template for the pattern. So I'm taking a little bit of this fabric. I'm going to go ahead and just trace out the template onto the fabric. And I'm going to go ahead and leave like maybe an extra ½ inch to an inch of extra material space around the frame. Once you're satisfied with the template design you just traced out, we're going to go ahead and cut the pattern out. And I'm going to repeat this step twice because I have 2 frames I need to fill up. And now it's time to attach the fabric to the frame. So I'm flipping the frame to the back side. We're going to go ahead and just attach the fabric. And we're going to keep the fabric held with some tape. I'm just putting tape however I feel is necessary, just secure it on there until I can get the glue on. So I'm using quite a bit of tape. You can use as much as you need, but that's just me. I ended up using more on the second frame just because I wanted it to have like an extreme hold. You want it to be as tight of a hold as possible so that as soon as you start adding the glue it's much more easier and you don't have to worry about it so much. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing here. Now we're going to go ahead and attach the fabric with the frames with the glue adhesive. So what I'm doing is I'm gently lifting the tape that I just put down, and we're going to put some glue adhesive between the frames and the fabric, and then we're going to go ahead and just reattach the tape back onto the frame just to let it sit there because E6000 it's a really strong glue, but it does take a time to dry, so this little tape is going to keep the design on there firmly while the glue is drying. So that's just what I'm doing. There's other steps you could take to make this design work, but this is just what I'm doing. And once the glue adhesive has been attached to the frames, we're going to go ahead and just let these sit over the night and dry. Also, if your frame doesn't have a wall hook attached to it already, we're going to go ahead and take this time to glue the wall hooks on as well. So I didn't record when I did that, but yeah, I just wanted to note that. And now we're going to go ahead and take off the tape. And this is where the fun part comes in, well, the best part at least. I love to attach these pins on everything, so I'm pretty happy being able to finally put them onto one solid place where I can find them easily. Just attach all your pins as necessary. I may need to make bigger ones because I love these pins so much, and I just bought a group more at this last time that I was there at Disneyland. So yeah, but I'm pretty satisfied with these frames. I'm very happy that I was able to find this fabric and being able to combine the two. This is just so cool. I love it. Anyway, but I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to tag me to your creations on Instagram, I will leave my information down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!